Today on Driveway Installs, we're adding the KRS F150M remote start to the factory fob on this awesome 2022 F150 Tremor. This kit is compatible with all 2021 to 2023 F150s. First thing we're going to do is remove the glove box. Open it, press the tabs on each end simultaneously, and pull them past the edge of the dash. Carefully remove and place the glove box out of the way. Next, locate the gray 30-pin connector and disconnect it. Plug the Kicky Ride T-harness into both connectors in the truck. If you feel resistance, stop. Check the alignment to avoid damage or bent pins. Push the connectors together firmly, so the release tabs are fully engaged and the connectors will not easily pull apart. At the lower left edge of the dash opening is a 10mm bolt. Remove it, put it through the ring terminal on the black wire, and reinstall the bolt into the dash at roughly the same tension it was removed. Next, connect the white 7-pin connector to the Kicky Ride module and connect the black 4-pin connector to the opposite side. Now we're ready for programming. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. The light on the Kicky Ride module will turn red, flash rapid green, turn solid green, then turn off, and we're done. Turn the ignition off and exit the vehicle with all fobs or keys. Now let's test the remote start. Tap lock on your fob 3 times. The hazard lights will flash, and the engine should start. After running for a few minutes, the climate control will turn on using the settings from the last time the vehicle was driven. Interior temp, engine temp, and battery voltage can affect how soon the climate control will activate. If it will not start, it's usually a simple fix. If the system does nothing, it usually means you didn't press the fob quick enough or the activation method is not set correctly. See our instructions and video on programming no honk start activation and how to check and select the activation method. If you get a series of flashes from the hazard lights, the system is telling you what the cause is. See the troubleshooting guide in our online installation manual or message us for help. Use the included wire ties to secure the T-harness to other vehicle harnesses or dash support braces. Make sure it does not interfere with opening and closing of the glove box. For more information on installation, troubleshooting, and how to add smartphone app control, refer to the included installation guide. You can also download it from our website or contact support. Thanks so much for watching.